I'm Ava, and I want concrete floors. Like, this is my dream floor. So today we're gonna get them. Let's go! I know it. Oh, hey! I ain't gonna get nothing. Hey guys, today we are removing flooring. I don't know how successful we're going to be, but I've watched a shit ton of YouTube videos, and I'm feeling pretty confident. I'm feeling like this is going to be, I'm scared. This is gonna be my first time ever demolishing anything in my life. What about you? First time? Good thing I have my protective shoes on. Crocs. Sponsored by Crocs. Just kidding. But if you want to sponsor me, Crocs. Today we're going to be removing flooring because when I bought this house, it just had like, you know, not the best flooring. The color is just kind of weird. It's gray, and we want warmth to be in this house, so we're gonna break it out and add something nice and warm. Concrete. I went to Home Depot yesterday, and this is the supplies that I got. We have a hammer. We have X-Acto knives. We have Sharpies. We have painter's tape. We have protective gloves. We got freaking murdering weapons. What even is it? Pry bars. We also have masks in case there's dust. And we also have knee pads. And we also have scissors. And we also have pliers. So yeah, roll the music and let's get to work. Also, when we got to the house today, the power was shut off accidentally, and so was the water and basically everything. And it's 110 degrees outside. Wait, let me give you an accurate weather report. I'm so confused. It says it's 93 degrees, but in 5 minutes, it's supposed to be 108. We're gonna start in the master bedroom because I just feel like it's gonna be the hardest. So I feel like once we get that done, it becomes kind of easier. But who freaking knows? Let's do this. Okay, I'm just gonna wing it, but I think we should start on that floor because there's furniture in here and it's in the corner, and I think they said to start at the corner. I'm just gonna like fucking go for this. Okay, so the first step that I think I saw online was you use an X-Acto knife to kind of cut through the caulk. This caulk looks pretty. Oh my god, I just did it. Fuck yeah. To cut through the baseboards. Fuck yeah. Yeah, the first step's definitely removing these freaking baseboards. Moment of truth, here we freaking go. Oh, here we go, so. Oh, you're just going. You're scared. I already fucked up the freaking baseboard. Okay, we're gonna do this slow and steady wins the race. Oh fuck, I'm fucking up these baseboards. Oh, I got it loose. I'm nervous. I feel like we should have watched a YouTube tutorial before we
I thought you did.
I did, I was just saying like a fresh one, you know? Okay.
Oh shit.
Yeah! Fuck yeah! Yeah! I feel like maybe you just have to find an edge.
Nice. Yeah.
Nice.
Oh, perfect.
Wow. All right. Cool.
Nice.
Cool. Good. We know how to remove baseboards now. Okay, I cut my hand, so I added some protective gloves. I didn't cut my hand like on the X-Acto knife. I just like scratched it on something. So don't worry, guys. No hospital visits here. I don't know where the edge is. Once we figured out how to remove the baseboards, it was time to find the edge. Basically what the edge is like just the part of the laminate tile that will lift up for you so you can get started on removing all the planks. And basically like once you find one edge, all the tiles come up like so easy, but you just have to find that one edge, and that one edge is really hard to find.
Yeah, oh shit, look. Wait, should I break it?
Yeah.
Wait. Oh my god.
Oh, it's like, ew. What is this? That's like a
That was awesome.
That was so good. Nice. Okay. Let's do this.
It might be the energy people. Oh, it's New Jersey.
Hello? Hello?
Aló, muy buenas tardes.
Hello?
Sí, buenas tardes. ¿Cómo está? Le estoy llamando del departamento. Aló.
No hablo español.
English,
Sí,
please?
estoy llamando del departamento.
She's talking about what?
Solo español.
No, English.
Okay, thank you.
What? Oh, she said only Spanish. And I said, no, she's a solo Espanol. Oh, now I see. Oh, yeah?
Yeah.
Oh, fuck. Okay, wait.
Wow. Lord, turn the AC on. It's all we need, and this would be so fun.
Oh, we should have timed ourselves. See how long the master bedroom takes. Camera's overheating, so we'll get back to you when we're done with this kind of when we're you know, bye. Okay, let's see this color. Wow. That's so sick. Oh wow. Oh yeah, it is a little darker light.
Oh, yeah.
So this is kind of just, I mean, it looks nice.
Yeah.
Oh, that's gonna be so pretty. Looks good. This reminds me of like my dancing days where I'd wear knee pads and I'd be like, nice. Okay, let's finish this room off and get some coffee or something. Take a break. We also, these are all the tiles from, or the planks from the bedroom. And then those are the broken ones. We only ended up breaking like 10. So we could sell this on Facebook Marketplace or just give it to someone for free. Okay, so it was like so hot in the house and both of our phones were dead. So we're like, let's just get a smoothie to like just get out of the heat. And I met these lovely people. They saved us. They charged our phones. Thank you. You got her. I think we just got news that the power is on in the house. Basically, we went to the smoothie place just to get a little smoothie because we were just like dying in that temperature. It was like, we were pushing through. We were pushing through pretty good, but we just needed a snack, a break. Because we've been going since 12:30 p.m. and it's now 5. So 5.5 hours of labor intensive work with no air conditioning. So anyway, we just got the news that apparently power's gonna turn on if we reset the breaker. So we're gonna go home, we're gonna give it a shot, we're gonna try it out. And if it turns on, hopefully we can get a little bit more done. But yeah, it's been a good day. It's been a good day. Oh, we really did that shit.
All I needed was a nice smoothie to. I could finish the whole house.
I mean, honestly, now that I got this air conditioning on and I got the smoothie, I feel a little bit motivated. These scratches on my fingers actually kind of burn. Oh god, I hope it's not infected. No, it just burns a little bit. You know, it's one of those like skin, what are they called? Like a rash.
Scrapes.
It's like a scrape.
Don't say rash.
It's a scrape, you know, so it burns a little bit. The skin's a little sensitive there. Other than that, like I could go all night. We returned home hopeful that the power would turn back on. But of course, they fucking lied to me and the power did not come on, and this is me on the phone with them trying to figure it out. But yeah, we still had to work in 108 degree weather.
Yeah, see, I think all that is just like the paint from the walls.
But is it weird that I kind of like the orange lines? I like it. The glue lines look really sick. I like them, I don't know. I mean, they're definitely gonna go, but I think it adds like texture. I just think it looks cool. wolf. Oh, it's so hot, but we finished the bedroom. Oh, let's go home. The next 2 weeks of my life were completely devoted to ripping up all the planks in the living room, bathrooms, basically the entire house, because we were quoted $2,000 just to rip up these planks. After the master bedroom, I was feeling super confident that we could do it all ourselves and save that money to spend on furniture or just something else. I decided to take on the job myself, and I'm getting so many comments and DMs being like, Ava, you're only doing this for content, you can pay for it yourself. I can make a whole video about this, but it doesn't matter. I think a lot of people are forgetting that I recovered from a serious spine surgery. Like, for the last 3 years of my life, I couldn't even dance without feeling like my back was broken. As time consuming as this was, and as much as it hurt my back, I haven't felt this strong in years. So I'm really happy that I did this for myself. Also, after removing all of that flooring, I was feeling so confident, so I decided to remove those 2 blocks that I didn't want in the house anymore. They were so pointless and so ugly, and they just needed to go, so I got rid of those. Hard to like... Okay. It does not. Wow, that's really fun. Oh, that was really fun. Are you fucking kidding? Bro.
Like, that's anxiety.
Shit didn't even work.
That's all.
I thought this was gonna be like HGTV.
Oh my.
Yes! Yes! Stand! Woo! Okay guys, this whole concrete floor process ended up taking an entire month to get done. The waiting was so terrible. I was so impatient, and it was hard to believe that these concrete floors were ever gonna look like my vision. I was starting to get nervous, y'all, that this was not gonna match my Pinterest dream. But yeah, eventually the floors got finished, and I will be doing the concrete floor reveal in the next video. Also, if you aren't following me on Instagram or the Frames House Instagram, you can go see the concrete floors right now. Just go into the description box to find the link if you guys are impatient and you want to see the floors right now. Okay, I love you. Bye.